Hi, boys and girls. Today's science lesson is about ducks and fish. I love fish, and I know a lot of my friends in class love fish. So put on those listening ears and listen to find out why Emma and Jake didn't take Max to the pond today. Mom handed Emma a plastic bag. Emma, would you like to put those last few slices of bread in this bag? We'll take a walk to the pond and see how many ducks are going to be down there. May I go too? Asked Jake. May I, please? Yes, you may, said Mom. You two may help me clean up the breakfast dishes, and as soon as the dishwasher is loaded, we'll be on our way. We'll take the leftover bread to feed the ducks and the fish. What do Mom, Jake, and Emma plan to do? That's right, feed the fish and ducks. What are they going to feed the fish and ducks with? The leftover bread. That's right. Yippee, shouted Jake. Let's hurry with these dishes, Emma. Mrs. Larson says many hands make light work. Think about that. Many hands make light work. It's fine to hurry, but be careful with the dishes, said Mom. It didn't take long for them to finish up cleaning the kitchen. Let's leave Max home this time, said Emma. Remember when he barked and scared the mother duck? You're right, Emma. That's probably a good idea, said Mom. Why did they decide to leave Max at home today? That's right, because his barking frightened the ducks, and they were afraid they would frighten the baby ducks. Jake hurried along behind Mom and Emma, carrying the bag of bread. Soon they were at the pond. How can we feed them from way over there? I see the mother and her ducklings way over there. I think they'll swim over here once they realize that we're here to feed them. Jake handed Emma and Mom a slice of bread from his bag. Tear off small pieces like this. Mom tore off a piece of bread and tossed it into the water. Jake and Emma threw bread pieces in too. As they looked at the bread floating on the water, Emma said, "That piece of bread kind of looks like a mitten." What does the piece of bread look like to Emma when she threw it into the pond? That's right, it looked like a mitten. You see shapes and torn pieces of bread just like you did in the clouds the other day, said Mom. They all laughed. There was a sudden splash and one of the pieces disappeared. What was that? Said Jake, wide-eyed. A fish ate that piece, said Mom. It didn't take long for the other pieces to be snatched by eager fish too. If you look carefully into the water, you can see the fish swimming. I see one, explained Jake. And there are two more. Wow, that was a big one. He must be really hungry. Let's throw a few more pieces in before the ducks find out what's wrong on here. Uh-oh. They threw a few more pieces of bread in the water and laughed as the hungry fish snatched them all up. Look, said Emma, the mother duck and her babies are swimming this way. Quack, 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 called the ducks as they swam across the pond. What animals eat the first pieces of bread? That's right, the fish do. When the mother duck and duckling swam close to shore, Emma, Jake, and Mom threw more bread pieces into the water. Quack, quack, quack. They sure are noisy, said Jake. I hope they won't scare the fish away. Look, they remind me of teapots. They tip over when they stick their heads into the water to get the bread. Their beaks tip over like this. That's all for now, you quackers, said Jake. Emma, Jake, and Mom held hands as they headed home. That was a lot of fun, said Jake. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm sure the ducks and fish did too. Mom smiled. We'll have to come back soon to feed them again. That was a good story. Have you ever fed fish or ducks with pieces of bread at a pond or a lake? Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? Watching the fish grab it and then the ducks looking like little teapots bending over with their beaks getting the bread. That was a fun story. Talk to you guys later. Bye.